Imagine reclaiming 5 hours every single week. This is not a fanciful productivity dream. It represents 20 hours a month, or a full work week every 2 months. This is tangible time you could reinvest into deep strategic work. It is time you could use to finish your day earlier, freeing up space for life outside the office. Many professionals view artificial intelligence with skepticism, associating it with complex, overwhelming systems. The reality is far simpler. You can leverage powerful AI workflows using tools you might already have access to. These workflows do not replace your critical thinking, but eliminate shallow administrative tasks that fragment your attention. Welcome to Workflow Genius. Today I will show you 3 powerful AI workflows using ChatGPT, Notion AI, and Zapier to automate daily tasks and boost productivity. Professional communication, especially email, consumes a surprising amount of our workday. We spend cycles searching for the right phrasing and ensuring the tone is appropriate. ChatGPT can act as an exceptionally fast assistant, producing a solid first draft you can refine. Draft a polite but firm follow-up email to a client who missed a payment deadline. Mention the invoice number and the original due date. This instruction gives context, and within seconds, the AI generates a complete professional draft. You get a clear subject line, a polite opening, a concise body with specifics, and a clear call to action. A follow-up might take 10 to 15 minutes. With ChatGPT, you get a workable draft in under 30 seconds. Spend a minute or two reviewing to match your voice and include specific details. Across a week, these small savings accumulate into hours of reclaimed focus. Meetings produce notes, ideas, and disjointed comments. Turning raw notes into a coherent action plan is time-consuming and mentally taxing. Paste your notes into a page, then engage the AI assistant. Ask it to summarize key decisions and discussion points in a concise summary. Next, instruct it to create a table. Task, owner, deadline. The AI parses the jumble and organizes tasks into a structured, shareable table. Everyone sees what they own and when it is due, reducing follow-ups and clarification threads. For managers and project leads, this simple synthesis can save 1 to 2 hours per week and improve team effectiveness. Much of modern knowledge work is repetitive, manual data transfer. Zapier bridges your apps and runs workflows automatically with simple, if this, then that rules. A zap is a trigger plus 1 or more actions. Example: trigger equals new typeform entry. Actions: create a Trello card and add a row to a Google Sheet. For client inquiries, trigger on new form submission, then create a CRM record, a task due in 24 hours, and send a Slack notification. One zap replaces multiple manual steps, saving 5 to 10 minutes per inquiry and eliminating errors. That frees your brain for higher value work, serving the client instead of admin. Artificial intelligence, when applied with intention, does not replace professionals. It upgrades how they work. Drafting emails with ChatGPT, organizing notes with Notion AI, and automating tasks with Zapier are practical, proven methods. Delegate shallow work to create space for deep thinking, strategic planning, and creative problem solving. Minutes saved per email, an hour on post-meeting organization, and countless moments from data entry add up. Implementing these 3 strategies can realistically free about 5 hours per week. Start small. Choose one clear pain point. Try ChatGPT for your next 5 drafts, or use Notion AI after your next meeting. Observe the impact. If it reduces friction, build on that foundation and explore the next workflow. You are in control. Decide what deserves your time and what to delegate to automation. Subscribe for smarter AI workflows every week.